Good morning, third grade. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. I hope you had a wonderful weekend and are ready for a new week of learning. Let's go ahead, take a moment for a look back. Look forward. So homeroom, always on November 1st. April showers. Spring May flowers. We are in the final days of April, and by the end of the week, we'll be in May, not March, May. So super exciting. Your planner for week 14 is here. It is blank again. Just keep that in mind. You have to fill it out. K4 schedule is available here. This is what is in our Connect You class, and I will link this look back, look forward here as well. So for English, last week you learned about musicians. This week we are talking about athletes. So today you will do 30.1, which is lesson 1. Tomorrow, lesson 2. Wednesday, lesson 3. Thursday, lesson 4. Friday, lesson 5. Your assignment for today is a journal entry. Tomorrow is a pre-write and a graphic organizer. Wednesday, you're going to record and submit your fluency assignment. Thursday, you have a reading and a grammar quiz. Friday, you have a spelling test, a vocabulary quiz, a worksheet, a paragraph, and your independent reading. As always, you have 2 attempts available for your reading, grammar, and vocabulary quizzes. We will probably not have a workshop this week because you will be doing map testing for Connect You, and that takes up a little bit of time, and I don't want to overwhelm you. But if I notice that we have some things to review, we might double up next week for a workshop, so just keep that in mind. But let's take a look at what we are going to be learning about this week. So we know the theme is athletes. So what is an athlete? Maybe there's a famous athlete that you look up to, or maybe you're even an athlete yourself. I know I have some dancers, I have some soccer players. We'll start off on Monday by viewing the spelling and vocabulary words for the week, and you'll practice those throughout the week then take your quiz at the end of the week. Today on Monday, we're going to discuss what it means to compare and contrast two things. And then by the end of the week, you will be writing a comparing and contrasting paragraph. We will be also looking at sentence fragments this week for grammar. And yeah, you'll be doing that for grammar. So reading and writing this week about comparing and contrasting. And then you have a journal entry today. Alrighty, and let's take a look at math. Math last week we were working on weight. This week we are working on volume. So today, Monday, you're going to do volume cups, pints, quarts, and gallons, and you will turn in your notes assignment. Tomorrow, you will do volume liters to quarts, and you will also turn in a notes assignment. Wednesday, Thursday, you will practice on IXL for a customary unit of volume, compare and convert customary units of volume, and metric unit of volume. And then Friday, you will take the cups quiz and the liters quiz. So you have 2 lessons and 2 quizzes this week, but the lessons are brief and they relate to one another, so you can do it. Just make sure that you don't wait till the last minute to do your math, because if you wait till the last minute, it will be lengthy. All right, no social studies this week. This week we're talking about science. And in science, we are going to work on biomes. So you will learn what a biome is and do some activities. And we're switching things up this week. I wanted to try something new. Let me know what you think. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you're going to do part 1. And instead of doing the lesson like we normally do, I put everything into a PowerPoint so it's easier to navigate, because I noticed sometimes it doesn't make sense in the lesson the way things are set up, and sometimes I have you, okay, go to page 3 then go back to page 1. Instead of doing that, we're going to do a PowerPoint. So this is what you're going to do today, and then tomorrow and Wednesday, Classifying Ecosystems Bio 1, Science 25.1. Here's the lesson description. Your objective is that you are going to learn about 3 of the world's main biomes, the desert, tundra, and rainforest. And you'll also indicate the different animals that live there and examine the adaptations they've made. And keywords are biomes, desert, tundra, rainforest, animals, environment. Then this says Monday. So the slides that follow are what you're going to do today on Monday. You'll read about biomes map, desert, tundra, rainforest. Then we get to Tuesday. So if you want to do all your science in one day, that's fine. But if you're going to break it up, your Monday slides 4, 5, 6, 7. Tuesday, you have more on biomes. Then Wednesday, you have your assignment. If you click on this link, it will take you to the assignment. And that is your notes that you'll turn in. Then it's kind of the same thing for Thursday, Friday. It's a different PowerPoint. It's biomes part 2. And there's still a lesson description. And then I have Thursday. And then you have 3 slides. And this one says coming next week because we're going to learn more about these particular notes next week. It's just like a little preview. Then Friday, you have the assignment. So kind of like math, we're doubling up, but they're all related. That's why. So you can do it. Just don't wait till the last second. All right, my friends, I believe that is all. So have a wonderful day. And if you have questions, let me know.